Nice, it is me OreJesU and you're welcome once again to my channel. This is another episode of how to make surface pattern designs using Microsoft Paint. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is to make a canvas 500 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. This white space is our canvas. We go to resize. We click in on pixel. We untick maintain aspect ratio. We put in the figure that we want. I'm going to put 500 and we click OK. And the next thing is to go to the view and we tick the rulers. Mine is already ticked as usual. And we'll go back to home. We go to the shapes. I'm going to use the curve shape for this lesson. Okay, this is a freestyle method of using Microsoft Paint. So you just watch what I'm doing. Just try as much as possible to do what I'm doing, but the result will not be, I guarantee the result will not be the same thing. We are not using the rulers today. I meant that we're not using the rulers right now. Sorry. We're still going to use the ruler. It's very important. Then we go to the oval shape. We go horizontally 400 to 500 and vertically 0 to 100, and we zoom in to 200%. We can see a box right here and here, another box right here and here, and at the upper side there are boxes at all sides, at all four sides. So we'll move this one. We're going to move it to the middle. We can see that this box is at the middle, so that's how we know that that's how to know that this is, the shape is at the middle. In the middle rather, sorry. So the next thing we're going to do is to make another circle. But this one is going to be a full circle. It will be 0 to 100 horizontally and 400 to 500 vertically. We make another full circle here. We make it horizontally 0 to 100, vertically 0 to 100. And the next thing we're going to do is to start filling. And we just choose color choose this color. And so we are through. And the next thing we're going to do is to open another page in Paint. I'll make this the canvas 3000 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. For our young viewers, we're going to increase the canvas this time around. Zoom in the canvas so that you're able to see what we are doing. We zoom it 50%. 50% is okay. We Control A, Control C, we Control V. We keep on pressing Control V. Oh, there's a mistake. There is a mistake that I made. I did not color this side. I did not fill this side. So I've done it right now. Okay, these two sides. So Control A, Control C, and we Control V. So that's why it's very important for us to make sure all the sides are colored. We flip horizontally. We Control V. and we Control V. We flip horizontally. We Control V. We Control V. We Control A, Control C. And we increase the canvas to 1000 pixel. We can check in here, you can see it's 1000 pixel. We have to check here for those of us who are just learning. We just started learning. We rotate 180 degree. You can see how beautiful the design is. Control A, Control C. We increase to 2000 pixel and we Control V. We have to look at all the sides. You can see that the four sides, there is no white background, there's no transparent background here. So we decrease to 12.5% and we increase to 3000 pixel. And Control V. And we are done. For those of us who have already made any mistake around the size of the design, the thing we can do is to go for a color picker. We click on the color, we go to filler, we increase, we zoom in or zoom out, and we fill. So that's the thing we're going to do for any of the sides that another library. If you made any mistake around any of the sides of the background, of the designs rather, we just go, we choose, take color picker, choosing the color that we want, then we color it. So that's what we're going to do. So now we are through. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like, share and give a thumbs up. Also kindly subscribe. See you on the next episode. Bye bye.